Present, past, future. Present tense. I write my lesson. I am writing my lesson. I have written my lesson. I have been writing my lesson. Past tense. I wrote my lesson. I was writing my lesson. I had written my lesson. I had been writing my lesson. Future tense. I will write my lesson. I will be writing my lesson. I will have written my lesson. I will have been writing my lesson. Okay, let's repeat these three tenses, okay, with me. Present tense. Repeat after me. Present tense. I write my lesson. I am writing my lesson. I have written my lesson. I have been writing my lesson. Past tense. I wrote my lesson. I was writing my lesson. I was writing my lesson. I had written my lesson. I had been writing my lesson. Future tense. Future tense. I will write my lesson. I will be writing my lesson. I will have written my lesson. I will have been writing my lesson. These three tenses are very important for speaking English.